Hello friends, welcome to Daring Marina YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about safety precautions to be followed during any electrical maintenance work. What are the safety precautions during any electrical maintenance work? So, first we need to get to know the ship's electrical system and equipment. We have to understand the ship's electrical system and equipment. We have to know the blueprint. We have to know study the ship's diagram to pinpoint the location of switches, protection device, supply distribution board, and essential equipment item. So we have to know the electrical systems, their layout, their diagrams, and pinpoint location and all. And we have to write down the information notebook so that if normal indication we can note down the normal indication and we can find out the fault in abnormal condition. So for a quick understanding, we have to make a note about the base normal indications and all. Then we have to operate the equipment according to the manufacturer recommendation. We have to operate correct rated speed, rated voltage, RPM, and all. We have to understand. We have to operate according to that manufacturer recommendation, and we have to maintain equipment according to this manufacturer's recommendation. We have to maintain proper maintenance, plant maintenance, and all. We have to done according to the manufacturer recommendation or the ship owner's maintenance procedure. Then we have to check the circuits are dead before touching conductors and terminator. We have to ensure that the circuits are dead before touching any conductor and terminator by using voltage tester, because we know that we have to do not touch the circuits. We have to ensure that they are dead before touching conductors and terminator using voltage tester, and we have to switch off and lock off supplies and remove fuse and display warning doors before removing covers and equipment from it. Before starting and maintenance work, for our safety perspective, we have to switch off and lock off the supplies and take the fuse out and post main network board before doing any maintenance work. And we have to ensure that all guards, covers, and floors are purely fitted, that all boards and fittings are fitted on time. We have to ensure that for electrical equipment, all the guards and covers and doors are purely fitted and all boards and fittings are tightened. And we should not neglect and abuse any equipment. And do not leave the live conductor or rotating path exposed. There are chance of getting electrocuted are there. And do not touch the rotating parts for a safety perspective. And do not touch live conductors under any circumstances. Like I mentioned, do not leave the live conductors or rotating parts exposed, and do not touch the live conductors under any circumstances, because the chance of electrocution is there. So be safety conscious. Thank you.